To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra. If you are new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, welcome back. So y'all, I'm starting a new vlog and it is a birthday vlog to be exact. It is my birthday weekend. Well, my birthday is Monday and it is Saturday, y'all. I am in Myrtle Beach, baby. Turn up. Hey. So my boyfriend took me to Myrtle Beach for my birthday, y'all, and I'm so excited. I'm actually in the room right now. We got here early, so check-in was at 4. It is 1:07, y'all, and they told us we can check in early, so I was super excited about that because y'all know how these hotels be. Check-in be at 4. Like, no, my flight got here, y'all, at 9:35, and I was ready to check in at that time. But yes, y'all, early check-in, so that was a plus. But yeah, like I said, I am in Myrtle Beach with my boyfriend, y'all. Let me show y'all the room. We are staying at the Caravel Resort. It's cute. It's definitely giving Myrtle Beach, y'all. This is my first time in Myrtle Beach and it's giving those vibes. Let me show y'all the room right now. So it is a suite. So this is the front door. So when you first walk in, y'all, hold on. So when you first walk in, we have the kitchen. It's cute. Got the little stove, microwave. It's an updated kitchen too. It's real cute. So we went to the store. We got some stuff, some snacks because y'all, we was hungry. I got a coffee maker. So it's real cute. The bathroom is right here. Babe's taking a shower. And this is the room. So it's giving Myrtle Beach vibes, y'all, for sure. So it got the pull down bed. I wasn't a huge fan of the pull down bed, but it's cute. It's cute. It got the TV over here on the wall, a little dresser. It does have a fridge, y'all. So refrigerator, freezer. That's nice. We love that. Over here we got a little sofa. It's cute. It's cute. This is actually another pull down bed. I think these beds are a queen. I want to say a queen, but you know what, I think it's a full. I'm not even gonna lie. I think it's a full, y'all. I don't know, but I know it's two. It's 2 double beds. So right here we do have these little knickknacks. This is cute. Oh, y'all know I'm secretly a mermaid, period. So I love the vibes. This picture is cute. It say beach, y'all, sandy beach. You got your girl. I got my items right here, our items, y'all. And we have a balcony, and y'all, that was our main thing. We really wanted a balcony. It's so cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I wish the room was a little more updated, but you kind of got to expect that from some of the hotels in Myrtle Beach. They're not always like super updated, but it's cute. Let me show y'all the balcony. This is the balcony. So we do have a beach ocean view, but it's to the side. But it is hot out here. It's gonna be like 80 degrees and I got on a hoodie and some sweatpants. Somebody get you, girl. But no, it was cold in Michigan, so I had to throw on a hoodie and some sweatpants because y'all, it was just the first day of fall the other day. So yes, y'all, but it's gonna be hot here and it's gonna be sunny, so I'm excited about the weather. It's not gonna rain on your girl's birthday. But yes, y'all, it's so nice. It's so hot. Soon as babe get out the shower, look at me trying to take off my hoodie now. Soon as he get out the shower, I'm about to get in the shower, y'all, and we gonna get this birthday weekend sorted. We're gonna have a good time. I'm excited to just explore. Myrtle Beach is nice. It's a vibe. But yes, y'all, so let me go back in the room. It got dark, y'all. So let me get unpacked. I got all my stuff over here. Actually, let me show y'all what we got from the store. Y'all, so the liquor store here closed at 7. So that's early. The man was like, yo, make sure y'all come here before 7 because we're gonna close on you. I said, sir, we gonna be there. We gonna be there. So let me show y'all. I have never saw no shots like this. Have y'all saw these? These are called Pussycat. I had to get this because it looked like a lot of people liked it. It was only like 2 left. So this has watermelon vodka with like pina colada on the side. This is gonna be good, y'all. And this have 20% alcohol. I can't wait to try this. I never saw this before at my local liquor store. So babe got some Hennessy, some Hen Dog, and he ain't get no chaser. Now why he ain't get no chaser for you, girl? Well, actually we did get a chaser. Well, I got a tea, but I don't know if I'm gonna chase it with that. Might go get a Coke or something, y'all. But we just got some juice because I was thirsty, and some chips, y'all. But that's it. But yeah, y'all, so I am going to unpack, get ready, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Y'all, so your girl is dressed and ready. I just got out the shower. I got on my little 2-piece set from Fashion Nova, y'all, and I am wetting my hair. I love, it's the vibe for me, Babiana. Period. Hope y'all can see me. This lighting is kind of dull. I love my hair, y'all. What y'all think about my hair? This bob is giving. This is actually Keisha Kaylee hair. This is the Island Wave texture. Keisha Kaylee here on YouTube. So I am just wetting it, y'all. I just got some water and some curl defining cream. Just wetting it and spraying it. I don't understand. I love this hair, y'all. This hair do not tangle and do not shed, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I had this hair before. I had her hair before, and it never tangled. Like, you know, like by the nape area, a lot of curly hair tangles. This hair does not. Y'all see me running my fingers through it? Do not tangle. So I love that about it. But I don't think I showed y'all the bathroom. But I don't know if I want to show y'all the bathroom right now because it's kind of dirty. Not dirty. I just got like my makeup and stuff on the counter. It's just not organized, y'all. So I'll probably show y'all the bathroom later. But yep, just this little 2-piece fit from Fashion Nova. And I did my makeup a little bit. So yeah, I'm about to go try to find a CVS, and I don't know what we're about to get into. Probably do some drinking, you know, go get something to eat. We had a couple snacks, but y'all, I didn't eat nothing today, and it is currently 2:11. So your girl needs to eat, because if not, I'm gonna pass out, and we don't want that. We don't need that. So I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get back from the store. So we're on the balcony with the vibes. You wanna say hey to my vlog? Say hey to my vlog. This babe, y'all. I know y'all remember him from my Vegas vlog. So we in Myrtle Beach with the vibes. He's smoking on the balcony. I know he don't supposed to be, but he do what he wants to do. Cause he pop. No, but the beach is, it's so hot outside, but the beach is so pretty. Are they surfing? Oh, look like they surfing. I can't wait to go over there, y'all. But yeah, Let me go, y'all, because I gotta find a CVS. Y'all, we about to try some Pussycat. You ready, babe? You ready to try some Pussycat? It's the name for me, y'all. Like, it's the name. So they had Pussycat, Sex on the Beach. Sex on the Beach sounded real good, but everybody got this kind, so I had to get it too to see what it's like. How you think this is gonna taste?
Hopefully good.
You never had this before?
No, definitely not.
You wanna get in the vlog? Wait, pull a chair up. I'm about to try this for y'all. We gonna give y'all our real and raw opinions on how it tastes. Wait, do we supposed to say? Here it is, y'all. Scoot up. Scoot. So do we supposed to take it like together or?
Yeah, just shoot it. Take it out there.
I'm scared. Y'all, I'm scared. Wait. What we got? We just.
Yep, just take it back.
I'm scared.
Happy birthday.
I think we about to go do a helicopter tour or a helicopter ride on the beach. I'm excited for that. Aren't you excited?
Absolutely. Hip, hip, hooray.
Hip hip. Cheers. Cheers, y'all. What kind of liquor y'all drinking? This is what we drinking right now. This is just for right now. What we gonna drink later?
Probably some Rubios, tequila, Casamigos.
It turned into a Frico. Yes, y'all, I'm so excited about this helicopter tour. I'm just getting a cup because I'm about to pour me some. Time to drink. A little drinky drink. It's my birthday. I can do what I want to. Okay. So everyone's telling us that we need to go to Broadway, y'all. So we're gonna do that tonight. And it's Saturday, so I'm sure it will be fun. Why mine look darker than yours?
Stronger.
What you got in yours?
Same thing. Definitely more.
Cheers.
To a body in the dirt that they do on my name, turn the soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding.
Good morning, beautiful people. So it is the next morning, y'all, and I got up, got in the shower, did my skincare routine. Yes, skin is glowing, y'all. If y'all haven't saw my skincare routine on my channel, make sure y'all check it out. It is great. When I tell y'all, it removed dark spots, bumps. My face looked crazy 2 months ago, but after using these products, I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is, but y'all have to watch that video for that on my channel. But after using these products, my skin is flourishing, okay? Period, as it should be. So we about to go over there. Let me show y'all. Over there to the beach. Yo girl is dressed and ready, y'all. So I have on this cute little kind of like oversized mesh cover up for the beach, and I got on my swimsuit underneath it, y'all. So it's like a peach curl color. So yeah, y'all, I'm so excited to go to the beach this morning. The water looks so pretty. I think we're gonna do like some water activities today. I don't know, gotta see. This is the perfect time to do it. It's early. Okay, he's up, you guys. Say hey. Wait, my camera needs to focus. It's not focusing. Focus. Okay, it's focused. Come on, good people, good morning.
I just took a big shit.
What? Why would you say that on my camera? What the fuck? Don't nobody care about that? That's nasty. Y'all see what he talked about this morning? Crazy. Talking crazy on the camera. But yeah, y'all, about to go to the beach and then gonna get some breakfast. Should have probably got some breakfast first, then went to the beach. Oh Shio, I need you. I don't even know the words. That's my song though. What's the words? I need you, oh Shio. What's the words?
It's nothing English.
I know it's not English. It's y'all know the song, you know the vibes. That's the song of the trip.
Okay.
So we slept good, you guys, in this little bed. It was pretty comfy. All right, y'all, so we at the beachfront at our hotel. Look at the palm trees. So cute. I can't wait to take my pictures here, y'all. Oh, my pictures are gonna be a vibe. Got the sand. Wait, take your shoes off.
No, go ahead.
Oh,
I got flip-flops. I'm good.
I got sandals. Yeah, I forgot my other flip-flops at home. You know what? No, let me take my shoes.
Take your shoes off.
Yeah, I was about to say, I'm gonna take my shoes off. No, we're not doing this. What?
Give it to me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Ooh, and you thought it was gonna be cold. It's not cold. Yeah, we at the beach. Huh? Y'all, this was the only bigger bag that I had that I brought that y'all can fit in there too. Ooh, I love the beach. I got on my Machino glasses, y'all. They don't really match either, but they match another outfit that I brought. Ooh. I don't know, cause my aunt was saying like those chairs, you gotta bring your own or something, but yeah, they got like little tags on them. It's the beach for me, y'all. Come on, get in the water. Yeah, I want to get in the water. Woo, look at these waves.
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
All right, y'all, so we back at the room. So he saw a recipe on TikTok and we're making French toast. As you guys see, we have the cinnamon sugar, we got the nutmeg. So we mix everything in a bowl with the eggs, and we have our Hawaiian rolls.
Hawaiian French toast.
Yeah, so it's Hawaiian French toast, y'all. This about to be good. And we also, we have the Hawaiian French toast, and then we have fruit, and then we're gonna make some eggs. So that's our breakfast, and probably some coffee if this coffee machine acts right. So yeah. gonna be so good. All right, y'all, so we done. We got Hawaiian roll French toast. Again, he saw a video on TikTok. We got eggs and we got fruit. This is my plate, y'all. This is his plate. We have Boone's Pop truck, y'all. About to get some Jello shots. Hope y'all can see my shadow in the way. And we're gonna get some freeze pops too. Boone's Pops and liquor.
Hey guys.
Thank you.
Y'all enjoy.
You too.
Ooh la la. Which one? We about to try this, y'all. Ooh, I'm about to try it, y'all. I'm about to try. Here, can you record?
Oh, thank you.
Ready?
I'm about to try it.
Look at us. Come over.
It's hot. It's good though.
It's good.
Ooh, it's hot, y'all.
Vanilla ice cream.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Chicken wings.
Y'all, he about to try the hottest one. This yellow one is the hottest one.
That's $15.
This is the hottest one.
This is hot.
It's hot. Okay, you ready?
And you're gonna notice because it's thicker.
Ooh, look at that, y'all.
Little extra nudge on
That
it.
look hot. Hey y'all, so your girl is back. I am dressed and ready for the night. I got my makeup on. I got my outfit on. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing, y'all. I wish I had like a full body mirror. I got on this little two-piece set. So cute. I got on my silver heels. I know y'all saw this before. My Shein necklace. I don't have on any earrings yet, but I'm about to go find some silver, probably some silver hoops or some silver studs that'll match my necklace. So your girl is ready. So we about to go to a couple bars on Broadway. And y'all, I hope I don't be cold. It's like it's still kind of warm out, but it's just windy. So yeah, but I'm loving the fit. Girl looks good. I'm about to party. And speaking of party, let's talk about it because y'all, so we tried to get some liquor, right? And we called a couple liquor stores and they told us that it was a state law that South Carolina does not sell liquor on Sundays. Like, bitch, what? And at all? Like, well, they sell it at like the bars. So that's why we're about to go out to a couple bars and get turned up a little bit. So I was just shocked. And then on weekdays, the liquor stores close at 7 p.m. which is so early. Like, I'm used to liquor stores staying open to like at least 10, 11 because of the pandemic. Now they close early. So tomorrow I'm gonna make sure I get me a bottle for my B-Day before 7. But yeah, y'all, so I didn't like that. But other than that, I can't change the state law. But your girl look cute. I'm about to try to get some good pictures for the gram. You already know the vibes. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to go hit up some bars and I'll see y'all at the bar. Let's get drunk, baby. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to show y'all the scent for the night. So we doing Black Opium by YSL. Yo, girl gonna be smelling good. This TV is so freaking loud.
It's not inside out like your shirt sometimes is, so that's good.
I love it, hon, but I'm no behind stuffing yourself anymore.
I hope that y'all can hear me.
Coming out, so stop it.
I can't believe you can afford to buy a t-shirt and bring your brother and sister to get boba today after school. You can still afford to bring us to boba today after school, right?
Right?
Yep, business is babysitting and baby.
I like to spray a lot, y'all.
So boba day, it's fine that I always pay for it, because that means more fun.
Your girl like to smell a lot, spray a lot.
You can
I gotta smell good at all times. What bag am I wearing, y'all? I didn't bring that many bags on this trip.
Makes sense.
And I don't know, what was I thinking? Today's for my Gucci bag. I got a little bit of black in the shirt and in the pants. Y'all, I'm asking y'all, like, y'all can really tell me which bag I should wear.
The end of Greece and the beginning of Blade Runner.
Should I do the black?
These are 2 movies that are on.
It match a little bit. This is all I really got.
Oh, not at all.
I like
when
this
robots
sparkly
look like
clutch,
robots.
but
Not like Rutger Hauer in his prime.
it's not
Wally
gonna
is more
work.
given than all of you.
But if I do this bag, I can't bring y'all with me.
I like the movie where the robot
I gotta bring y'all with me to the bar. We gotta get
We'll all
drunk.
marry different kinds of robots.
I don't know. I'll figure it out. Hopefully y'all can hear me over this loud TV. But I'm gonna figure it out, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to the bar.
I've been on top for a while. Yes, I chip it to the moon. That's how I make one go wrong. Nigga, just boom, boom, boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big patty with a brand new wrist set. Inside a new Maybach coupe in the butter jet. I'm sliding in the road, sliding in the lane, sliding in the beat.
We got Nola with the vibes. Okay, they turned. We just went to this bar, y'all, but well, earlier before we went to this black bar. Why did I think this was a real person, y'all? Why these look real? And this one over here too. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to zoom in for y'all. It's like a little mannequin in the freaking park. Hey guys, good morning. It's your girl birthday. I'm the big 28 in this thing, y'all. So are you guys having a good morning? Because we are. It's 10:04 a.m. I am dressed. We're about to go get something to eat. And then I think we're gonna wait. Oh, I thought you almost hit the pole. So yeah, y'all about to get something to eat, and then we probably about to come back to the room and go to the beach. And we got some other things planned for today, but you guys have to just wait and see and come along with us. Safety first, y'all. Put my seatbelt on. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all having an amazing morning. The girl is hungry, so I can't wait to eat. But we had fun yesterday. We was just bar hopping, y'all, as y'all saw my last clip. It was fun. We got a little too turned, you know, but we were supposed to. It's my birthday weekend, period, as I should, right? But yeah, y'all, it was fun. We went to, what is it? We went to the chemistry. Is it the chemistry? Chemist, and then we went to, no, I believe the bar across from the chemist was called Nola. And we went to this Irish pub bar. It was fun, y'all. It was fun. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so we're on our way to the beach, and I am wearing this cute little Shein 2-piece bathing suit. I got my Machino glasses right here. Same bag, y'all, same bag.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark,
Y'all, it's a vibe out here. I'm taking pictures, doing content. About to wash our feet right now. This little thing. This is so convenient. This is strawberry pina colada? Yeah. Strawberry pina colada, y'all. Y'all, I'm in a lazy river. I haven't been in one of these since I was a freaking kid. So your girl is all dressed and ready. I am actually on my way to the Polynesian fire show. It's like a luau and I'm so excited for that. It's gonna give Hawaii vibes. So y'all, what I'm wearing is these cute little dangly earrings. I got on this cute dress. It's giving the vibes for the show. I got on some, sorry y'all, I gotta see the toilet, I'm in the bathroom. These same Fashion Nova sandals. I did my makeup, I sprayed my hair down and scrunched it a little bit. So yeah, we're about to take some shots before we go. So let me show y'all. Where's shots at? Put them in a freezer. Sorry y'all, I know it got dark. So we got some VSOP. We got some more of these shots that I love oh so much. I'm gonna buy some more, take some back home for some souvenirs, y'all. Let me put y'all down. I hope y'all can hear me over the TV, this loud TV. Let me show y'all what we got. So we got pineapple upside down cake shots. Ooh. That sounds like that's gonna be good. Now, y'all already know we got the pussycat, period. Y'all already know these taste so freaking good because they got pina colada. If you don't know, your girl love pina colada. Anything pina colada drinks, cake, I love it. So yeah, we're about to take some shots before we go to this little luau. I'm excited for it. It's gonna give those Hawaii vibes. You ready? Mm-hmm. I'm ready. All right, y'all. It's gonna be a whole lot of drinking in this vlog. I mean, duh, it's my birthday, so we gotta drink. Well, we don't have to, but that's what we choose to do. You ready? Which one you want first? Pussycat or pineapple upside down cake? Okay, we're gonna try this pineapple upside down cake, y'all, because we haven't tried it. It's new. It looks good. It actually looks like the other one, just a different color. This got coconut in it too? Mm-hmm. Okay. You wanna go on a? We're about to go on the balcony. It's so beautiful out here, y'all. I wish I had something where I can stay in my camera. The other one was 22.
Oh, really?
I know. Hello, hi. Ooh.
Matches.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Here you go. You're welcome.
Hi, Johanna.
Hi.
Welcome. Can we have the first name on the reservation, please?
Sierra.
Sierra. And the last name, please?
Phillips.
The Hawaiian shop is open before it's shut. We'll take your photo and escort you guys to your tables. Thank you guys. Aloha.
Aloha.
Everything you see over here, family, was shipped to the street from Hawaii.
Guys, good morning. So it is our last day here at Myrtle Beach and I don't want to leave. I had so much fun. It's been a great birthday, and just waking up to the ocean every day. I can do this every day. But yeah, y'all, so it is currently 10:44 a.m. we check out at 11 and we probably about to go get some breakfast. Our flight isn't until like 1:30. So, well, actually no, our flight is at 3:30. We're gonna arrive to the airport at like 1:30. So we have time. So probably about to go get some breakfast and I don't know, just kind of chill to our flight. So yeah, I had a great birthday, y'all. This will be my second birthday vlogging my experience, and that's exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching me and supporting your girl. We glowing and growing, baby. Okay, period. But yeah, so I just wanted to check in with y'all, and I will talk to y'all in a minute.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Y'all, we at the Quickie Mart from The Simpsons. Wow. Huh? The squishy. This is so cool, y'all. Look, y'all, all the flavors.
Fucking Buzz Cola. Oh man. I gotta get some Buzz Cola.
This is so cool, you guys.
Start playing games.
At the tight that anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
This is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this Myrtle Beach vlog as much as I did. Thank you for coming along with me. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on IG. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.